Running low on data with Simple Mobile? No problem. Let's clarify your options. Simple Mobile primarily offers data add-ons and top-ups to keep you connected. Data add-ons are instant data boosts you can purchase when needed, like a $5 for 1 GB pack. These are great for occasional heavy use without changing your main plan. Top-ups, on the other hand, refill your entire account balance, covering voice, text, and data. You can do this through the Simple Mobile app, website, or at retailers like Walmart. Choose the option that best fits your immediate data needs. Add-ons are ideal for short-term boosts, while top-ups replenish everything. First, enable Data Saver mode within the Simple Mobile app to significantly reduce your data consumption. Whenever possible, connect to Wi-Fi hotspots to avoid using your cellular data and save on usage. Monitor your data usage through the My Account dashboard to prevent unexpected slowdowns. Simple Mobile offers nationwide 5G coverage on most plans for fast speeds. Speeds can be deprioritized after using a certain amount, like 15 gigabytes on unlimited plans. By managing usage, using add-ons strategically, and topping up when needed, you can stay connected affordably. Remember, unused data rolls over for up to 90 days for extra flexibility.